Vision Technologies is a building systems integrator, really going back 25 years, being a kind of turnkey provider for both new construction and retrofit throughout several different market segments.
We focus in IT convergence and systems integrations, infrastructure installation, racks, cabling, fiber, copper, the typical standard stuff as far as IT networks go. As far as the technology packages, commercial AV systems, electronic security systems, and what we call the mobility business, which typically comprises of Wi-Fi systems, distributed antenna systems, which are both cellular amplification as well as emergency responder radios. Data centers fit into everything these days. Data centers are buildings just like any other building at the end of the day. Our clients are bringing us into regions where we didn't ordinarily have a footprint. And when we do that, we're going to need to be enabled to do so by the relationships that we have in the marketplace, particularly by organizations like Graybar, who can allow us to scale nationally with the distribution systems and the networks and the trucks and everything that it takes to effectively pull off a project in a new geography.
Graybar has a very coordinated approach to the data center market. Some of the ways we differentiate ourselves is by advanced service offering around the products that we sell. This can include customized delivery and kitting services, where we would deliver certain products together and or pre-assemble components in order to drive productivity and efficiency within the project, and we can help Vision mitigate delivery schedules. Our customers really appreciate those types of services because it allows them to be more productive on the job site.
We know that we need strong partnerships to succeed in this market. I like to think of Graybar as one of our additional warehouses. I like to think of their logistics team as an extension of my logistics team. They have local drivers, big trucks, and it's a guy with a telephone. There's a personal touch there. So if they're delivering material straight from their warehouse out to a job site, that driver is contacting the foreman or the project manager, and it's an easy handoff. It's completely seamless.
With Vision and Graybar, it's almost like we're one company when you think about it, right? Because in the way that we put our message out to the end client, we really want to bring that value to them together. We're proactively strategizing and trying to figure out together what value it is that we bring to the market. From Vision side of it, they bring the implementation value of it, and we bring the logistical value of it, and it works really nicely.
I think it's constant communication with our ops team across regional offices. It's making the effort to go and think one step ahead for the services and the solutions that we're offering, and making sure everything is tailored to their needs.
Vision Technologies was established just to be a customer experience first organization. Tying that into the Graybar organization, again, very closely aligned philosophically. The secret sauce, if you will, is putting those two things together in an effective way to not only get the data centers up in this case as quickly as possible, as efficiently, as safely as possible, but getting them up in such a way that the experience was good when we turn the keys over.